What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you how you can get unshadowbanned in TikTok. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's have it. So first, go ahead and open up your TikTok app on your device. And once you're in here, you can go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon. Now here, click on the three bars on the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Now from here, scroll down and go to Report a Problem. Now here, you are going to be given a list of topics that you can actually go. So for this particular scenario, we can go to Account and Profile and tap on Profile page. So once in here, you will be given another list of options that you can go through. And from this one, tap on Other and go to Need More Help. So here you will be redirected to TikTok help desk. Now what you can do from here is you can send a message to the TikTok team explaining what happened to your account and asking them to remove the shadow ban on your TikTok account. You can also explain what happened and give them more information for them to understand the situation and help you out. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.